LRPs. Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Just keep your eye ahead. I'm gonna go slow.
Word. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Oliver Knott here. Welcome back to Big Bass Dreams. You got myself, J Pratt.
What's up, guys? How y'all?
Subscribe to his channel if you guys haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. But we are out here to do some work. Central Minnesota, largemouth fishing. Nice hot sunny day. We're gonna figure out some kind of bite, I hope. So stay tuned. We've got a bunch of different baits tied on, some little baits, some big baits. Really don't know what we're gonna face, so we're gonna walk you guys through our day.
Yeah.
So appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Should be fun regardless.
I'm excited.
Me and this dude always have a good time,
Yeah.
man. We've already had some tough days, but we've had a couple of incredible days as well. So thank you guys for tuning into everybody's channel, and as always, we're coming at you through Big Bass Dreams. Here we go.
I'm coming. All right.
All right, cool.
It's true. Get us behind.
I've already hooked two. Oh, but it's okay. I got you. So I'm fishing this thing no fear because of my meter system that I've created here. Okay. And always treat these fish with respect. They're cool fish. Little pike.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
Double header.
We're doubled up.
Oh, it's a nice bass.
We're gonna get that pike back in the water. Fire.
I was gonna do a pike and bass photo.
I'd rather have the bass and bass photo.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep casting the school. This is probably 3 3/4.
Oh yeah, that's a good one, buddy.
All right. Always leave the net on.
All right.
There it is.
Sick. My man, doing work. From J Pratt, boys and girls.
They like to give you wet and hot.
What you need, pliers?
Yeah, hey, look. Fish.
That's a good start.
Not a joke.
Not a joke.
For Minnesota, look at this. Look at this.
Be out here, boys.
I mean, this is 4.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
easy.
Easy 4.
Easy, buddy.
She's thick.
She a thick one.
Yeah, that's what I like. She was out in front of that tree. The only problem is, like, yep. I've heard musky guys say that, but like, and I know that's true, but like, definite bass. I've found spots within a spot. It has to be. So I landmark it by that stump, so we're not even close to it, but I'm gonna let it just ease into it.
All right.
And it's about the distance that we are ahead of the boat, so. Dude, you see, I mean, immediately a 4-pound 6 ounce in the bright ass sun, you know.
They love this. I already knew.
Yeah.
That day when we were.
137. Yeah, you knew it because they were biting.
That day we struggled, I was like, yeah, they like the sun here.
Yep.
Just some fisheries are like that, man.
Yep. And that day we didn't get out. Oh! I got it. Oh. Oh yeah, yeah.
Wow. Once again, pike proof. Nothing even gator wise. Yeah. So, Patreon boys, pay attention, alright? Video coming at you. Pretty slick way of rigging this setup that's made me fearless, that I love to share with y'all. So, if you guys haven't already, subscribe to my Patreon. The link will be in the description below. Obviously, there's a lot you guys can learn through these videos here on YouTube. But the guys that support me on that next level, get that next level information. So, big ups to you guys. But regardless if you're not on there or not, appreciate you guys supporting myself, the team, everything that we do, man. Those vibes are everything. So, big ups to you guys.
Are you talking about the Oliver Knott channel?
Yes, sir. But we ain't scared of no pike, baby.
Yeah, where you can learn next level.
They gonna learn today. The thing is, you know, I get to benefit from a lot of time on the water, right?
Yep.
I get to benefit from making a lot more mistakes than most people make.
Yep.
But I make a real effort to learn.
And that's the shit.
Oh, you see me, I'm a tinkerer.
Yep.
Alright. Making cast, got some pipe. But haven't had a positive response from the bass yet. So I'm gonna downsize a little bit. Going to still a relatively big bait, especially for this genre. So 1 ounce dark sleeper. So let's see what we got.
Yeah, I've got a next time we come over, we're probably gonna smack him right here. Yeah, good. I'm glad we're covering this.
So this thing dives 27 feet.
Yeah, and we're in 8 feet, 9 feet.
But that allows me to really slow down my presentation too. I hit bottom, rip, and then it just slowly floats up, almost suspends.
You're ripping through schools of bluegill and crappie and stuff, so bound to run through a school fast.
Oh my god, why am I doing that? Oh, I'm on again.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I don't even see anything. He's got one.
Alright, Big M 7.5, guys. I'm actually just trying to baby this fish in because I've ripped 3 off in a row. Here it comes. It's coming up. I'm going to transfer up. Just baby this thing. I back my drag off a little bit.
Let me know if you need a net.
I don't know how big this thing is.
Oh!
I'm telling you, it just woke up.
Just digging.
Yeah, I'm just going to back my drag off.
Woo! What is it?
Gotta be careful with these treble hooks, you know?
Yeah. Oh shit, it's a nice bass. Really nice bass.
I get him.
Oh shit, sorry.
That Ranger net's Alright! Well, they eat cranks out here in Minnesota.
Yep.
Word on the street is they eat bluegill here, right? Look at that. We just found a school. Get over here, Chris.
Yeah, Chris, cast out here. Oh shit! It's a big, dude. It's a big.
Yeah.
Cast over here out in front where this is 5 probably. Oh my god. So
What
this is
fish?
summertime pattern. That's fine. It's deep crankbaits. Let's get a double here. Don't
Yep,
let her go.
I got you.
Oh, god. She came about 10 feet out of the water. Made me think she was... Woo!
That's sick.
Oh my god, was I not?
Here. It's alright, we got on 360, bro. We're good. What's up? Oh, we got a triple! We got a triple!
Right, hold on. Here, Oliver. All right,
Yep.
here we go. Now I'm ready.
Yeah, look at this.
Look at this.
Yeah!
Chunks for days, son.
It's like a high 3. Got
Yeah,
a big
this
one
is,
there.
This is 4.5.
Alright, play it. Let's go. Let's keep catching them.
Ooh, that's what we're talking about here.
Alright guys, just went through some trial and error. Tried to downsize to a deep 6 to try to stay out of that grass, but I didn't get the bites I was getting on the Big M.
There he is.
And Jeremy's on one right now, so I'm gonna get this thing in the water.
Ah! Came off his boat. Went back. Oh, it's a different shallow diving.
Yep, same profile. 4.0, a little bit shallower lip.
Should be it.
Hopefully that's the adjustment I needed to make. We got something. Someone's going.
Barramundi.
Uh-oh. Oh,
I thought you-
what was that?
Something crush it and then like.
Maybe. It felt alive, but like, it felt kind of rocky.
Lunch break has proved successful so far.
Yeah, right. Oh, what?
Oh, there he is.
On the sleeper.
That's so dope.
Yeah. What do I got? Ah, oh, fish medium.
Oh, it's just medium, yeah. These are too big for the light. All right.
Man, medium's tough.
Yeah, they don't want to act. They don't like acting like mediums. in this lake. They're like, I'm already big.
They are absolutely crushing it. Real gummy, so they don't drop it right away. 1 ounce weight. Easy to feel on the bottom. And they are crushing it. Video it, that is.
Wow.
That's a heck of a piece.
Dude, they do that and it's like they're mad. They're like, poof. I love those.
Yeah, it feels so much better.
Yeah, I feel refreshed. Thanks for that turkey or that ham or whatever it was.
You're welcome, you big turkey.
Thank you for the Sammies. Those Sammies were delicious. Dun, dun, dun. All right, what time is it?
Game time!
4:19, yeah, exactly. Oh, there. Oh, we let it go. That's probably a pike. It like aggressively.
Oh. Found him.
If it's a bass, it's good size. I think it's a huge pike though. Oh shit, there it goes. Please be a bass. It's gotta be a pike.
No, I'm gonna say it's a bass. Yep, it's a bass.
Is it?
Yep.
Yes!
It's a bass. Oh yeah.
I was like, please be a bass.
That's a bass.
Dude, it was fighting like a giant pike.
Just a giant bass.
Gotta love it, boys. So we just took a lunch break on Big Bass Stream's channel, and we just immediately got into a school of these. And this is like a 4.8 probably, just under 5 maybe.
Yep.
Just under 5. Aware. Oh, I love these fish. Yeah, just shake your head. How many of these have we got?
Not enough, but Minneapolis is not in flames.
Yeah.
Hang out with your boy.
Woo! Dude, I'm freaking stoked on this. All right, Big Bass Streams, we're catching them. Same thing. We've been grinding all day, catching these here and there.
Window's starting to open up for us.
Windows opening up. We took a lunch break, but it's like 4 something. Look at this big girl.
Biggin.
Look at her. Look at those big eyes. Minnesota tank. Most people would kill for this. Look how broad. I mean, I've got thousands of these fish, but they still excite me.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Here we go. We got another big girl, 4.8. Summertime bass patterns here. Ooh. She's probably tired. She came way out of the water.
Oh my. In California.
Yeah, I mean, in Florida, even Florida and Georgia and all those places, it's like
Still above average, man.
yeah.
You think about it, if you actually like average a 3-pounder as a professional bass fisherman, you're probably making the Hall of Fame.
Yeah. Oh, for sure, yeah, dude.
Isn't that crazy?
I mean, yeah. Most of the time, I'm like, if I do look at pro fishing, I'm like, God, they're catching dinks. Like,
Right. I'm excited to go compete, man.
yeah, dude.
I want to see what I can do.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna be in contact with you, bro.
Cool, brother.
I'm gonna be giving you some moral support.
I'll definitely need all the vibes I can get.
Yeah, I'll be giving you vibes, dude, for sure.
No, it's gonna be cool to be able to share that experience and like
Yeah.
just link up with all my dudes across the country. Oh God.
Got him?
Yep.
Hey, don't rip it.
Yeah, I'm going easy.
Stay on, girl. Is it a bass?
Don't know yet. Staying down. Big M. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Good grief.
Dude, that is an enormous pike. You wanna?
Oh yeah.
Holy. That's upper 30s,
Dude,
close
that's
to 40.
Big one, bro.
That's a big pike. I was just telling you how many pike are in here, man. That's a big pike. Holy.
Stay in the mouth.
Oh, you got the net? Right.
Yeah, I got it. I gotta shout out my boy, Megabass Big M.
Big pike dreams. See ya.
Hold on. This is crazy.
Oh boys. Oh boy, what you got, Oliver?
I got a rather above average northern pike specimen that I'm super glad I got this leader on for.
Yeah, dude, it would have taken your bait.
Would have taken my pretty Big M. Oh man. Alright, you guys clearly see that Big M in there.
Let me get close.
Pictures of that?
Let me get close. That has a monster head on it.
Dude, that's a big pike. Alright, I'm trying to...
Wow, that's a big pike.
Gonna get the lift. This is a pretty nice sized pike right here. Well, obviously guys, we're out here bass fishing, but check out this gator. Long, skinny summer pike. Dude, I don't know how long that is.
Rolling.
Alright guys, nice big beautiful pike. Thank you for eating my Big M. I appreciate you. Get this thing out of here. And when you're prepared for them, ready, man. They're a lot of fun to catch.
Look at that.
Give them a little slap on the head.
Oh, she gone. Look at that.
Woo! You guys having fun yet, man? This is crazy.
That big bait. All about that.
Okay.
So your next cast.
Like, so this is 12 o'clock, what, like 11?
Yeah, I'll do that.
That grind. LRPs. Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Pick up the fire right on top.
Low fall, blast off, trying to get some cast off. Doing this here for years, get my bass on. Stream mask on, putting in work. Snap back, got me focused, never settle on a shirt. I missed one and hit one, man, that's getting some. 2, 3, 4, 5 more, come on, that's ripping up. The way the bass smith sticking, the way my feet.